Hello Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 26th October to 1st November, being a general reading. Not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, I would like to add that Mercury is in retrograde from, has been retrograde till 3rd November. Be very careful with your papers, contract deals, online transactions. Read the documents twice, thrice, and only then go for it. This is just for guidance. Now let's see, Sagittarius, what's there for you in career, business, money from 26th October to 1st November. Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, the World, Knight of Cups, and one more card, Judgment. So the first card coming is like, there could be a person or a situation in your work, in your business, in your work situation, who could be cheating. They could be playing games, mind games, cheating, sneaky energy, who could want to steal your information, or you could it's like sneaky energy. So beware of that. Just somebody will try to get your information and share it with somebody. Somebody could cheat you with money. It's basically, so beware of this energies here. There could be someone in your workspace, partnership, somebody could cheat you. Do not go for any shady deals or deals which seems too good to be true. Beware of that. But here comes the main thing, the Wheel of Fortune. So times have been good. I mean, times are changing for the better for you. The Wheel of Fortune is a major arcana card. It is an indication of good times, successful times coming to you, Sagittarius. That is what I get. You've centered yourself well, you have used your energies well, so nobody can stop you from success. This is a major arcana, so it comes slow and steady. So that is what I would tell you here. Times are changing for the better for you. Times are changing for good for you. So that's a great card to come in this year. You will see changes coming. I think, even you are approaching your birthday season after Scorpio, because major arcana, it takes months. So, it is not a weekly thing. So it is like a month or two. It takes months and years. So, I think with your birthday season, you will see a lot of changes coming into your work life, into your job, money situation. Yeah. Nine of Pentacles. Working hard, putting all efforts to reap success, to reap financial abundance. That is what, trying to manage your finances really well, doing good investments, doing good work, doing wise investments. That's what you have been doing, buying, selling land, farm. You are into, some of you into farming, somebody investing money into bonds, shares. That's what again I get here. So totally putting a lot of effort, lot of and also enjoying partying. That's what, with friends, get-togethers, with you are having a good time too. That is, it's Nine of Pentacles is like you're spending also on friends and splurging money. For some of you it is there, so you are highly energetic now. You are in a good mood and you want to show your love and affection by spending money on your friends or family, or it's like that energy. Then Nine of the Wands here. So Nine of Wands, for some of you in a certain situation, some of you are waiting for a job change, or some of you are waiting for certain situation in which you feel like you are really stuck, and when is this, wondering when are things gonna change for you. So with this comes this World card here. So yes, your cycle is being, if you have been stuck in a situation like an offer for a new job, or start applying if you have already appeared for an interview. So cycle is gonna complete, your waiting is gonna go over. This is again a major arcana card that you will get completion, you will get success. If you are wondering when are things gonna change for the better, or from this stuck or hurtful, wounded, lot of work, maybe wherever you are working is you are really having a hard time, it's like that, or your partnership not working, business, financial losses, or you are not happy, whatever is making you unhappy and you're wondering when it's gonna change, resonates to your situation, you will see there is a closure, a cycle is coming to an end, this cycle will come to an end and you will see better signs because you have this Wheel of Fortune. Now these both are major arcana cards. It doesn't come in 2 weeks, it will come in months, but yes, your time is like you will be getting over with this energy, waiting energy here. Knight of Cups, you have some good news coming to you. It could be in your personal life, professional life. Knight of Cups is an offer, or an offer which makes you happy. So it could be a job offer, it could be a monetary offer, it could be an emotional offer, anything like which makes you really happy here. Then you have a Judgment card, you have a decision to make. This, I think we have been getting Sagittarius for you. It could be in your relationship, in personal life as well as professional life, a judgment, a decision that you have to announce now, that maybe there is a person, and Mercury retrograde, some ex-boss might offer you a work situation, so you need to make a judgment there, or you might getting a project, a project from your past, a job from your past. And this is also a card of past opportunities, past I mean, you could meet up with old friends. In relationships also, you could forgive someone and move on. It talks about basically taking a call in which others are also dependent on your decision, like people are waiting for you to decide. It's more on a personal note or professional note. You might also think of moving away from a job. It's like that. So you need to make a decision this week. Now it will resonate differently, leaving a partnership, or working with a partner, working with an ex-partnership, it's like that, working from a previous project. So anything that resonates to your situation here. Nine of Pentacle card itself shows that you have a lot of money coming in, you are in the party mood, you have a lot of also spending, and you have a lot of money coming in from stock market, rental, share, all that, from farming lands. This is what I get here. Now let me just pull out an angel guidance card, Sagittarius. Enlightenment. Okay, so pursue spiritual growth. So you will be seeking spiritual growth. That's what I get here. It's gonna help you with overall as in your life, overall all aspects in your life. So this is it. If you do like my readings and it resonates with you, so thank you so much, and stay blessed. Please subscribe to my channel.